Friends, let's continue with our exercise 13.1. Question number 4. A bottle in a soft drink factory is to be filled, that is 840 bottles. Okay, so a machine in a soft drink company factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? So we know that number of hours and number of bottles. So 6 hours 840 bottles can be filled. Okay. So they say if 5 hours, how much bottle? So we know that the time decreases, obviously the number of bottle will also decrease. Okay. So it is which type of proportion? Direct proportion. So direct proportion means cross multiply. That means, okay, so suppose A, B, C and D. So we are finding D is equal to C into B upon A. That is X is equal to 5 multiplied by 840 cross multiply divided by 6. So X is equal to 6 के टेबल में we can cut it out और 2 के टेबल. Okay, so we can just 2 as you say. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 2 420. Again it is possible by 3. Yes sir. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, means 140. So 5 into 140 bottles. So definitely you will get the answer. Number of bottles, can you? So please get the answer of 8 multiplying 14 5s are, okay, 70, means 700 bottles are there. Now we proceed for the next question. Question number 5. A photograph of bacteria is enlarged 50,000 means times, which attains the length of 5 centimeter as shown in the diagram. What is the actual length of the bacteria if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? Okay, so we know that enlarged okay photograph, so actual photo. Okay, what is the actual length of the bacteria? So photograph 50,000 times, so it is seen in 5 centimeter. So they are saying if 20,000 times, how much? So quantity of this one is decreasing, obviously the actual size of the photo will also decrease. So it is direct proportion, so cross multiply, that is D is equal to, means A, B, C and D. We are finding D is equal to C into B upon A. That is X is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 5 upon 50,000. So 0 0 get cancelled, 2 5s are 5 5 is also getting cancelled, so 2 centimeter. Okay, actual photograph, okay, of the bacteria. Same way we can go for the next question number 6. In a model of a ship, the mast mast means a long pole which is there in a sail boat is 9 centimeter height, while the mast of actual ship is 12-meter height. Find the length of the ship 28-meter. How long the model ship? So they are saying actual ship mast and model ship mast. So actual ship mast is 12-meter high, then it is given is 9 centimeter high in the model. Then if it is increased 28-meter high, the ship, actual ship, so what will be the high for this in centimeters for the model? So here height of this actual ship increases, definitely the model must also increases. So it is direct proportion. So it is, you know, that direct proportion when it's cross multiply. So A, B, C and D. So D we are finding to C into B upon A. That means X is equal to 28 into 9 by 12. Clear, friends? Now you can find 4 sevens are 28, 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 7 into 3 centimeter means 21 centimeter. Okay, high. How much? 21 centimeter high. Similarly, we can proceed for the seventh sum also as given. Here in the seventh, 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to 6 crystals. So this is given in standard form. We have to, how many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of sugar and 1.2 kg of sugar. So first we will find for 5 kg of sugar. So sugar in kg and crystals. So they have said 2 kg, send 9 into 10 raised to 6, which means 9 with 6 zeros. Okay, which means 90,000 lakhs crystals, 90,000 lakhs crystal. So 5 kg, how many crystals are there? X. So definitely the kg of weight of the sugar increases, the number of crystal also increases. So it is direct proportion. So when direct proportion, we know that it is cross multiply. So D is means A, B, C and D. So C into B upon A. So X is equal to 5 into 90,000, 90 lakhs, sorry, 6 zeros divided by 2. So 2 ones are 245 or 5 zeros are there. Okay. So X is equal to 5 into 45 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 raised to 5 zeros. Okay. So if we multiply X is equal to this, so 225 into 10 raised to 5. So we want to find in the power form. ओके एक्चुअली तो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा हमको जैसे कि 2, 2, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but this we want to convert into power form. So this is to be converted here. So we want to put in power form, so decimal point 2 less than 10, not more than, not less than 1 and not more than 10. So into 2 decimal points, so 10 power 2 and 5 power already given of 10. So if we get this answer 2.25 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5, it will be 7 power. Okay, so 5 kg 2.25 into 10 raised to 7 crystals. Okay, the 1.2 kg of sugar that you have to solve by your own as a practice.